All 50 states have their own LLC Act, and you can form an LLC in any state. So how do you choose what's right for you? Here are the three most common options. First, let's discuss Delaware. The Delaware Limited Liability Company Act is the most widely used LLC Act in the United States. The Florida Act is probably a close second. Delaware offers many advantages over other states. First, most business lawyers consider Delaware the best judicial forum for resolving high-stakes business disputes, including LLC disputes. Second, Delaware offers the most guidance. It has more case law associated with its LLC Act than any other state. Third, the managers can greatly reduce their personal liability for serving as a manager to the LLC. You can eliminate fiduciary duties and provide seemingly unlimited indemnification to managers for mismanagement. This is attractive to sophisticated entrepreneurs, investors, and lenders who are raising large amounts of capital and remain responsible for generating positive returns on the capital invested. There are disadvantages. Delaware charges higher fees for maintaining a Delaware LLC. If you're in an LLC dispute with a manager, you'll need to sue the manager in the Delaware courts, unless the LLC agreement has specifically provided for mandatory arbitration in another state. For a manager, being sued in Delaware can be inconvenient and expensive, especially if the manager is not based in Delaware. Wyoming is also a good choice. Wyoming has no state income taxes, and it has some of the best asset protection laws in the US. It has things like lifetime proxy laws. The Wyoming LLC Act does not require you to disclose owner or operating names. So if privacy is important, then this is a key benefit. For example, you can form a Wyoming LLC and use that LLC to form subsidiary LLCs in other states. This makes it extremely difficult for a litigant to track ownership or trace ownership back to you. Finally, sometimes the best choice is where your business is principally located, especially if your intention is not to raise large amounts of money. First, your advisors, your CPAs and lawyers will likely have more experience with your home state. You're still subject to your state's labor laws and other revenue laws because you conduct business in that state. Payroll taxes, for example, will need to be paid in the state in which you employ your employees. And your home state will often offer less administrative hassles. Form an LLC in Delaware and then operate it in Georgia, for example. You'll be required to file a foreign registration in Georgia and maintain your presence in both states. That can get expensive and that can get administratively burdensome. So those are the three common states that a person will form an LLC: Delaware, Wyoming, or the state in which you're principally located.